Hi children, in the last video we saw about the sounds of B and C. In today's video we are going to continue with the sounds of D. D for doll. D for doll. D-O-L-L doll. D-O-L-L doll. You can see the picture of a doll. Now trace D with your pencil. A drum and a duck start with sound D. Write the missing letter D. So D stands for doll, D stands for drum, D stands for duck. D-R-U-M, drum. D-R-U-M, drum. This is the image of a drum. D-U-C-K, duck. D-U-C-K, duck. This is the image of a duck. So D for doll, D for drum, D for duck. Now, in this word, the letter D is missing. D-R-U-M, drum. In the word duck, again, the letter D is missing. D-U-C-K, duck. D-U-C-K, duck. Now, encircle D. They have given a set of letters in the spots. We have to recognize the letter D. So, this one is letter B. This one is C. And this letter is D. So, you have to circle this one. And this is the letter A. And again the letter is D. So, circle that one. This is the letter A. This is the letter B. Again this is the letter D. So, circle D. The last letter is C. D is the fourth letter of the alphabet. The sound of D is D. D for doll, D for drum, and D for duck. Now we will continue with the letter E. The next letter is the E. E is the fifth letter of the alphabet. E for elephant. E for elephant. E for eagle. E for eagle. E for ear. E for elephant. 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 Eagle. 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 Ear. 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 Now trace E with your pencil. So the procedure for writing E. Start from here. An eagle and an ear start with sound E. So here the sound of the E is A. An eagle and an ear start with sound E. Write the missing letter E. Now in this word eagle, the letter E is missing. EAGLE. 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 In this word ear, the letter E is missing. EAR. 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 Now encircle the letter E. So this one is B. This one is C. This letter is E. So circle this one. This letter is A. This letter is E again. So circle this. What is this letter? This letter is A. This letter is B. And again this one is E. So circle this one. And the last letter is C. So E for elephant, E for eagle, E for ear, and E is the fifth letter of the alphabet. Hope you all understood the concept. Stay connected with us in this Little Achievers channel. Thank you.